YouTube? Welcome to OJ's Fashion House. And on this channel, I'll be sharing with you guys some of the items that I purchased in the past. Most of the items been worn, so I feel this review is truly authentic. But on today's episode, we'll be unboxing some Givenchy Marshmallow slides. And let's get into it. The receipt is always given to you in an envelope. I guess to be discreet, but I find it cute. And let's open the box. Ooh. Their own individual dust bags. So if you travel, you know they're going to be in safe condition. They are made of rubber. I got black, but they do run in other colors if you're somebody that likes to add color to their wardrobe. They're kind of tall. These are considered platforms. So the height on them are 4.3 inches. So they will give you some height. They're definitely lightweight and they are super comfortable. Sometimes I like to dress down, so I like to stick to shoes, but I can get away with, you know, wearing multiple looks. I'll show you guys what they look like on feet. Y'all, I hope you enjoyed unboxing with me at OJ's Fashion House, and I can't wait to do some more unboxing with you guys in the nearest future. But until then, leave a comment below, like and subscribe, and of course, peace.